Okay, welcome to Mr. 151 Josh's YouTube channel. What I want to show you today is a little bit of a movement going on to not let fish die anymore. People are, you injure a fish or cut their gills and you see them bleeding and people put them back in the water. Studies show that they'll bleed out within 90 seconds. The answer to that I'm not sure who found or how they found out, is to pour soda pop on the injured fish. So I'm just gonna give you for instance here. So you take Diet 7-Up, that's what I drink. You go ahead and take that, and if you say the fish is bleeding out his gills right here, you just take the pop and pour it right in his mouth so it runs over the gills, and that's gonna but make it coagulate and stop the bleeding. And the fish is gonna live instead of dying right after you let it go. Even though it swims away, it still dies because you cut his gills. So just so everybody knows one more time, pour any kind of carbonated beverage. It doesn't matter which kind. They're talking about doing studies about caffeinated beverages to find out whether they're damaging fish or not. I don't think it's a big deal. Go ahead and give the fish a little jolt if you save his life. He'll be happier in the long run. Thanks for watching Mr. 151 Josh's YouTube channel. Save a fish. Thank you.